This is the JisuLife Ultra 2, probably the most multifunctional handheld fan I have ever used. I've seen this brand everywhere. It's a very popular niche product. In a hot and humid city like Guangzhou, a handheld fan isn't just useful, it's essential. And using one is incredibly convenient. A lot of people walk around with these fans. And I guess this might just be the world's number one. So, let's check out what's inside the box. The packaging itself gives off a premium and trustworthy vibe. Honestly, gifting this to someone wouldn't be a bad idea at all. Inside the box, here's what you get. A Type A to Type C cable. And what's cool is that the Type C side can also be used as a Type A. I think every brand should do this. A rear vents remover tool. A cleaning brush for the fan. A lanyard or keychain style strap. A soft carrying pouch. 3 different magnetic nozzle attachments designed for blowing, cleaning, and detailed dust removal. And lastly, the fan itself. Compact and lightweight, just how I like it. That's everything included in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the design of the JisuLife Ultra 2. It actually feels like a mini power bank in your hand. Minimalist design, solid build, and thankfully not bulky. It looks and feels premium. Well, I spent about 10 minutes trying to figure out how to turn this fan on after unboxing. So this is the main on and off switch. When you switch it to the left side, it means it's totally off. And when you switch it to the right side, it allows you to turn it on. Then just press this button once and the fan starts at level 1, which is like 1% speed. There's a digital speed dial that goes all the way from level 1 to level 100. And at max speed, it feels like it could launch a mini rocket. It's a bit noisy but super attractive. However, no one was staring at me when I was using it in the subway. After a few seconds, everyone just ignored it. Now let's talk about function 2, the built-in flashlight, 1 tap to activate, and there are 3 brightness levels plus an SOS emergency strobe. Super useful whether you're hiking, at a concert, dealing with a blackout, or walking outside where it's not bright enough to see things. It can help you find your way. And now the third feature, and this one's wild. And with 18-watt fast charging, it can even charge your phone. I tested it in the subway when my phone needed charging, and I had only taken this fan, plugged it in, and boom, emergency power sorted. It was very helpful. This tool is used to remove the 2 hex screws that secure the honeycomb. The rear vents on the Ultra 2 are removable. They are held in place by 2 hex screws at the back. You can take out the inner honeycomb shell and use the cleaning brush to clear dust or hair. So now you won't get the E6 error showing up on the screen because of dust or hair stuck inside. It has a high wind speed of 17 meters per second with an ultra high speed motor spinning at 43,000 RPM. I think my cat didn't like it because the ultra fast wind literally blew her away. Look at this, guys. This is a regular powerful hairdryer. And this tiny thing is just as powerful. I used it to quickly dry a face mask. Worked really well. I've also used it while walking in humid weather to keep cool and even in the subway. It can blow dust off your keyboard. I hadn't cleaned mine since I bought it because I never had something like this before. You can also use it to blow dry your hair or clothes. No need to carry a bulky hair dryer when traveling. It's great for starting outdoor fires too. I tried it at home and it surprisingly worked really well to ignite a flame. It can also inflate air cushions. And the speed is not bad at all, so you don't need to buy a separate air cushion charger. Plus, it has emergency lights to help in dark situations. All in all, it's an all-in-one must-have product. And the best part is, it's not even that big. You can easily slip it into your pocket, carry it around anywhere, and show it off in front of your friends. So yeah, that's everything about the JisuLife Ultra 2. Honestly, I didn't expect such a tiny gadget to be this useful. It's not just a fan, it's like a mini survival kit in your pocket. From cooling, cleaning, lighting to charging, it does it all. If you're someone who travels a lot, works outdoors, or just wants a compact tool that can handle multiple tasks, I really think this is worth checking out. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about it. And thanks for watching. Consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.